In the warm glow of the sun, a green crescent flag waves proudly heralding a new dawn for Pakistan as archival scenes from 14th of August 1947 unfold, showcasing jubilant crowds celebrating their newfound freedom, and Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah passionately addresses the nation while people embrace each other in joy. As the scene shifts to modern-day Pakistan, breathtaking mountains stand tall alongside flowing rivers, illustrating the country's rich landscape, while dedicated farmers work diligently in the fields and students fill classrooms, embodying the spirit of progress and education. The scene transitions to a proud moment as soldiers salute, reflecting their unwavering loyalty to the nation, and culminates in a spectacular fireworks display over MinarEPakistan, celebrating the journey of a nation with the glowing message, Pakistan, born in freedom, growing in pride.